What if the most beautiful Christmas decorations in your home are already hiding in your recycling bin? Welcome to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where ordinary household materials become elegant holiday treasures. Today, we're transforming forgotten jars, cardboard, fabric, paper, and natural scraps into sophisticated Christmas decor that looks expensive, feels personal, and proves sustainable decorating can be wonderfully timeless. For women who appreciate a home with character, sustainable decorating offers something store-bought pieces cannot: a story. An empty glass jar can become a glowing lantern, while leftover fabric can transform into a beautiful ribbon. Instead of chasing every holiday trend, we'll focus on timeless textures, warm neutrals, greenery, and thoughtful craftsmanship, creating Christmas spaces that feel collected rather than simply decorated. Start with ordinary glass jars saved from your kitchen. Clean them thoroughly, then wrap the outside with twine, lace, or a small piece of vintage fabric. Add a battery-operated candle inside. Group several together on a mantle or dining table. The soft glow instantly creates an expensive-looking atmosphere, while keeping the design simple, nostalgic, and wonderfully appropriate for a cozy Christmas evening. Before throwing away sturdy shipping boxes, imagine their second life. Cut cardboard into simple cottage silhouettes, then cover them with leftover white paint or paper. Add tiny windows and faux snow along the rooftops. Arrange several houses together with miniature trees and warm lights. This charming village creates a handcrafted focal point that feels reminiscent of treasured Christmas displays from childhood. Old tablecloths, shirts, curtains, or fabric remnants can become luxurious Christmas ribbon. Look for muted plaids, ticking stripes, linen, velvet, or cream-colored cotton. Tear or carefully cut long strips and create oversized bows for wreaths, staircases, chairs, or wrapped gifts. The imperfect edges actually add character, giving your home that relaxed European farmhouse elegance without purchasing another roll of synthetic ribbon. Old book pages, brown paper bags, sheet music, or unused wrapping paper can become delicate ornaments. Fold the paper into stars, rosettes, or layered trees, then finish them with twine. Hang them from branches or a Christmas tree. Combining several paper textures creates depth and nostalgia, while neutral tones keep the finished display sophisticated instead of overly busy or commercial looking. A high-end wreath does not need expensive materials. Gather fallen branches, dried leaves, pine cones, or garden clippings where permitted. Shape flexible branches into a circle and secure them with natural twine. Add a fabric bough or a few dried orange slices. The result feels organic and authentic, bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside while celebrating the slower, simpler spirit of Christmas. Look around your kitchen before buying new Christmas tableware. Mason jars can become candle holders, glass bottles can hold evergreen stems, and leftover fabric can become napkins or table runners. Layer these pieces with pine cones, greenery, wooden accents, and simple white dishes. The secret is repetition. Using similar textures and colors makes inexpensive materials feel intentionally curated and surprisingly luxurious. The most meaningful Christmas home is not necessarily the one filled with the newest decorations. It is the home where objects carry memories, creativity replaces excess, and every detail feels thoughtfully chosen. This season, look at ordinary household materials differently. With imagination, patience, and a little craftsmanship, yesterday's leftovers can become tomorrow's heirlooms. So before you shop for another box of Christmas decorations, take a quiet walk through your home. Open the cupboards, check the craft drawer, and look inside the recycling bin. You may already have everything you need. At Grandma's Rustic Nest, we believe beautiful Christmas decorating is not about spending more, it's about seeing more value in what we already have. This Christmas 2026 to 2027, let's decorate with creativity, warmth, and heart.